Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode, I want to work out who's buying it and why. Is it the businessman, the weekend warrior, or is it the hipster? Or is it the married happy man, the one with 2.4 kids? So I think I've worked it out. I think I know why the Street Twin sells so well. Well, you know this is going to be good. So let's get into it. Cue the intro. Okay, so this is the thing. The Triumph Street Twin is the biggest selling Triumph motorcycle at the moment. And the thing about this video, I want to work out who's buying it and why. So, is it the businessman, the man that's power hungry, the man that wakes up in the morning and walks downstairs and has to make that tough decision if he takes the Porsche or if he takes the McLaren? Or does he want to step it up and be the ultimate cool guy at the office and turn up on his Triumph?
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day.
The type of guy that oozes success. Every single shop window, he checks to make sure that he's still looking on point because he's a powerful man and he wants everybody to know it.
You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Kind of like, you know, the guy that oozes the success, so successful he takes his posh coffee, goes and stands and stares at his bike thinking, isn't that absolutely stunning?
Tell you that I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know.
Isn't that gorgeous? That is one sexy bike. Kind of like my new secretary. She's gorgeous. I bet she'd be good at beer drinking. You know, the weekend warrior, the guy then that literally gets the weekend. The sun comes out and all he can think to himself is, I'm going to get on that bike and I'm going to thrash it and then find the most awesomest pub in the world and sit there and enjoy one of those absolutely perfectly chilled beers and stare at my bike and then hammer it some more.
It won't go away. I got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do.
Or is it the hipster? You know, the guy that oozes cool. The guy that doesn't follow mainstream sort of trends. But whatever he does, it's just cool. He's the kind of guy that makes the fashion happen. Is that the perfect buyer for the Street Twin? The awesome, cool hipster?
To have a couple, that's all about you.
it the married, happy man, the one with 2.4 kids? The guy that goes, I'm just happy with life, and is always in a rush to get home and spend time with his wife and his children.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you.
Oh, the thing is, if I go that way, I'm 5 minutes from home, my beautiful wife, my 2.4 fantastic children. But if I go that way, I'm half an hour from home. If I just pretend the road was blocked there and I'm trying to get home to my 2.4 beautiful children, if the road was blocked, there was a road definitely 100% saying blocked there, I'd have to go that way, wouldn't I? So I better make sure that's definitely half an hour away. Definitely.
Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud.
So I think I worked it out. I think I know why the Street Twin sells so well. Why it's Triumph's biggest seller. Because it does it all. It is the businessman's bike. It oozes success. It looks absolutely quality. It's the weekend warrior's dream, because you can hammer down those roads, get every thrill, stop at that pub, have that perfect pint, and stare at that. As well as it's the perfect hipster's bike, because it's trend, it's bang on trend, and you are literally going to be showing people how trendy you are. You can put your jeans on, your wax jacket, and just look really, really awesome. And then, of course, not forgetting the perfect family man, the man with 2.4 children. That bike gets your way, that bike gives you the freedom, and that bike is the one that you would pick to take the long way home. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you the reason why this bike is the best selling Triumph, because it ticks every single box.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me, whenever, whenever. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I wanna keep this feeling. I'm there when you need me. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I want somebody who sees me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover to hold me through the seasons. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me, whenever, whenever. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I wanna keep this feeling. I'm there when you need me. Keep this feeling forever and evermore.
The thing is, if I go that way, I'm 5 minutes from home, my beautiful wife for my 2.4 fantastic children. But if I go that way, I'm half an hour from home.
I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. Whenever I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. Keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me.
Well, there you go. Another absolutely awesome episode. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the people that hit that lovely red button and subscribe to this channel. Without you guys, this channel couldn't grow, and it's going from strength to strength to strength. So thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Also, giving us a comment and a thumbs up. I massively appreciate it. I also want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. These guys are the ones that help support this channel every single month. And without them, I couldn't keep this content coming as quickly as I do, and let alone afford all the equipment and all the stuff we need to make these episodes happen. So thank you so much to my patrons. If you're interested in supporting the channel in that way and becoming part of what I like to call the executive patron club, then you can from as little as £1 a month, and you go via the link down in the description to Patreon. You get to see the videos first, and you get your names in the credits of every single video. And do you know what? You get to comment on them first, and there's a live chat on there. It is really a helmet head sort of exclusive club. It is really, really cool. So please check that out. Like I said, a link down in the description, as well as the merchandise shop where you can buy the most coolest t-shirts in the world. And of course, you've got things like the water bottle, the mug, all the stuff you see in other episode. It's all there in the merchandise shop for you to own yourself. So please go and click in the link, check out the shop, buy the mug that makes everything taste a million times better. Not proven or guaranteed. And then, of course, we live by 3 famous sayings on this channel. The most important sayings, the gospel of life, the thing that we all live by. And of course, that's eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye-bye for now.
Tonight we're running on the right track.